never stopped. And you didn't stop either. You didn't stop. Red light run. No stop. Really? You didn't stop.
Are there any longitudinal ideas, like when it comes like generally generation?
I don't think you stopped. Steps of what the fuck are you doing? Walking on the no turn on red either. Walking on the moon. Walking on the moon. Sitting at the green. Now there he goes. Took him long enough to figure it out. I think you ran the red light. I'm gonna double check that.
Ideas or untrue ideas out there, but like, why is creationism so nefarious?
Nope. No turn on red. Red light run. I saw it.
Been so busy, haven't been able to fucking sleep. I'm joking about the NyQuil. It's like I'm not doing the NyQuil thing. I don't want to fucking do that. Because
Red light run.
You're gonna need the NyQuil. And just slamming it down so you can get the big gulp size of it.
It turned red.
Yeah, I was talking to somebody.
Red light run. Do-do-do. Turn of the Mac and you ran the red light. The guy behind me has no headlights on at all. There he goes. Wow, hold on. No turn on red. Turn your headlights on. And no stop. Yeah, they're coming out of the woodwork now. I think that was red light run. Nope. And of course he gets off at A1 as well. That wasn't really necessary. I have to get all the way in the center turn lane.
So, like, if
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Really?
If I was to come across it,
Really? I saw that.
I'm concerned that a truck with a box of heads in it was left unattended.
Oh, look at him go down there. Really? No stop. You can go now. You can go now. Didn't stop, and I don't think they're gonna stop either.
Turning asking, is that waking you up? Is that disrupting your sleep? Are you waking up with any back
Still
pain,
red.
soreness, fatigue?
Exit dive. Toyo turd. Wait, why are you stopping, dude? It was green the whole time. You will be dying 1,000 deaths. It's still... What's up with people? Nice cut off. No stop.
Winding its way through the Senate, having passed the House on the Don't Say Gay bill, and we have two wonderful articles.
Didn't stop.
Diametrically
Wait, that car was sitting at green the whole time. Really? Honda behind me didn't. What? That's the way I always take. Red light run. Exit dive. Red light run. No stop.
Rather than blaming the people that own those people, and we all just sit there yelling at each other like, you know, most people will look at that stuff.
Ran right through the stop sign there.
Fucking slick. I've never seen anybody do that.
No. I was watching it with somebody.
Hello?
They didn't see that.
Screwboro.
In real time. I got.
Well, Greg Locke defending us all against the narcotics around. In his own church.
Stop sign run.
It's in there. Yeah.
I almost said red light run.
And if
Aren't I an idiot?
with suspected abuse, that would be insane. But this is
No turn on red.
Parents have the right.
Could have waited 5 seconds so you wouldn't have been in the video. Oh well.
They like to resist and protect themselves.
Dude.
Yeah, they don't want to.
I know, like, the lines are not really that well painted, but you're not in the left turn lane. Toyo turd. And you can go now. Come on, you can do it. Good job.
76% just 3 years prior. So we're seeing this trend in
red light run.
Days. And
Infinity.
Amazing. And the Gorman thing, recent Mormon president, doubt your doubts before you doubt your
Really?
Well, we've just crossed a line.
Oh, exit dive. Because Prius. Get careful, dude. Okay, seriously, there's a whole big lane to the left of me. Why don't you try passing me there instead of being on my ass? That took you long enough. We got a twofer. No trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there if this is Connecticut. And also, there's no trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there if this is Connecticut. But we're in New York State. Both of you are perfectly fine because it's not enforced on this road. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. And they're holding up traffic, too. That guy in the trailer is going really slow. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Okay, bye.